This is just a quick overview of an installation of the ScaleBlaster SB-30. Installation will be the same no matter what model you get. So there's a couple things you need to identify first. You need to figure out how far you're going to be from the main pipe coming in your house and how far you'll be able to run this power wire into an outlet. Now, I was very fortunate. On this side of the wall, I had an outlet. So I just simply tapped into that outlet and ran a wire over here to a plug. So it really made it convenient. This ScaleBlaster wires are approximately 2 feet from the bottom of my windings. So it's important, you want to start with the tie wrap and start wrapping it around. Me, I found it handy to sort of just bunch them up and then start coiling it. And then as I wrapped it, it sort of unraveled itself. There's no really foolproof way of doing it because it's going to get tangled no matter what you do. But I started from here with the tie wrap, went all the way up. Once you get up here, before you start back again, the second wrap, you're going to go back down and come right here. So my pipe was a 1-inch pipe and it calls for 57 wraps. So with 57 wraps, I was able to get it in about 6 inches. So hopefully that will help some people. A 1-inch pipe, 6 inches, 57 up and 57 down. And like I said, here they both come out. Now, one quick tip. When you start wrapping this, if you're by yourself, it's going to be cumbersome wrapping it. I found it handy to just get a little piece of Scotch tape and just put, wherever you decide you want to, just pull a piece of Scotch tape. That will prevent it unraveling as you're trying to wrap. And then you can just pull the Scotch tape off. When you get down to the leads, it really doesn't make any difference which side you put it in because it's going to scan the frequencies, and it's going to go one way or the other. So that really doesn't make any difference. The main line, you want to try to get it as close as to the edge of your main line, so when it comes up, the ScaleBlaster is working before it hits anything else. Now, unfortunately, because of all these fittings and shutoff valves that I have, I wasn't able to put it before this first meter, which is okay, not really a big deal. But I was able to put it after this, right after it. They say not to wrap this on top of couplings and fittings, and I think it has something to do with the frequency and the consistency of it. Hence why they always say make sure you've got a really tight wrap and everything is consistent. And I think when you hit these, it kind of will make it inconsistent and not work as effective. But after all of that, and approximately the 2 feet from here to the unit itself, I still had approximately 82 inches of wire left over. So I hope that helps someone when they install the ScaleBlaster. Thanks for watching.